So, my dog Butter, she loves her Rachel Ray. I am so happy I decided to let her try it because she really loves it. She's not too crazy about the dry food though. However, I do put some on the bottom and then I top it off with the wet food. But anyway, I saved about 5 of these boxes from her wet food, and last night I just went ahead and uh, taped them up together the way that I thought, or I think I wanted to look. So I'm actually going to use this to hold my glitters and some of my smaller items that I have sitting on my craft table. So I'm hoping this will help free up some space. If not on the table, maybe I'll put some, some of those command strips with the Velcro and maybe put it on the wall. I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think about that. That sounds like a great idea. I just gotta find a spot on my wall if it don't work out on the table, but I'll figure it out. But anyway, it's gonna have 4 compartments. It's going to sit up like this, and it has 4 huge compartments because 6 of those tubs, if y'all know what I'm talking about, a food fit in each of these boxes. So like the little bottles of glitter, that would definitely hold a lot. So I'm expecting big things from this. So it's going to have 4 storage compartments, and then on the top, since I didn't have one more and I didn't want to wait another week, on the top I thought maybe like the tall things could fit in here, like maybe if I have a cup with some pens or tall rulers and scissors and stuff like that could fit on the top. So y'all tell me what y'all think. So I'm outside now, so I think I'm going to start by spray painting it. I thought maybe doing that, or maybe Mod Podge some different pictures on it, or I don't know. But I think maybe to start off with the first coating, to do the spray paint, and at least that way, if I do decide to cover it with different pictures and things like that, it'll have just one solid base color on it. For the inside, I was thinking maybe, I don't know, I could spray paint the inside too, or use like different cardstock papers or something like that to cover the insides along the walls and the back. Y'all tell me what y'all think about that. That's a good idea. But time, I don't have nothing but time in between my work and football with my son and my grandson. He's now playing flag football. So lots of football in the family. My nephew plays. He plays on the college level. My son, he's always played since he was about 5 years old. He's now junior in high school. And now my grandson, he just turned 4 and he's playing little flag football. So we're excited. We have lots of exciting things going on around the Boston's camp. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with spray painting this, and I'm going to come back to you after I do it, because I don't have anything to hold this phone to so that you can see me while I do this. So I will come back to you right after. Talk to you later. Alright, so I'm back. I got half of it done because um, I spray painted and it's kind of wet, and I don't want to mess up on one side. So what I've done so far, I've spray painted. I'll come around this way so you can see. I've spray painted the bottom, well, really the back, so you can see the back of the top compartment and the back of the other 4 compartments that's taped together. So next I turned it on the side and I spray painted the side, so it covers it pretty good, so you don't see any of the branding or the pictures that were on the box. So it's good coverage. Oh, and you wonder what this color is. It is it's like an off-white color. I didn't have any idea, any particular colors that I was wanting to do this in, so I just grabbed what I had available in my craft room. I know I've used this can before, and maybe I can go ahead and spray paint this side while I'm talking to you guys. I've used this color before on a couple of tumblers that I've done for people. Normally for the tumblers I try to use like white, but you know, this is close enough. So I got that side, and once it dries on this top side right here, I can go ahead and flip it over on the other side so I can spray paint that as well. So it didn't take as long as I thought it was gonna take. So I'll come back and let you know where I am with this. Alright, bye. Alright everybody, I'm back. Whew, today is a hot day out here. I'm sweating just sitting out here. But anyway, I did finish spray painting my box. My storage compartment, I should say. So I decided to go ahead on and just spray the inside too. It's not perfect in there, but when I do my my lining in there, whatever I decide to do, it'll be more perfect. But yep, I got it all spray painted. I got it in case you're wondering, I got it sitting upside down. So that way it could dry, which it shouldn't take no time for it to dry out here, because it is hot. When I say hot, it's hot. But yeah, there you go. That's the basics of that. And anybody could do this. I mean, I was just one night just sitting, and I had that one box, and I was like, this will make a good storage box. Then I got to thinking, well, what if I make some shelves with them? So I can't wait to show you guys the final, the final um, what I come up with as far as the design on it and where it's gonna go in my craft room. Either sitting on the table or up on the wall. So that's gonna be interesting what I come up with. So y'all just stay tuned and I will keep you posted. Talk to you later. Hey y'all. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. I wanted to hop back on and show y'all how my storage compartment came out. I've been working on it for the past few days and I finally got it done. This wasn't meant to be like a teaching tutorial, but more of a informal, informational um, project that anybody can do. I mean, if you got kids, even yourself, anybody can do this project. All you need is a crafty mind, boxes that you have laying around the house, scraps, whatever. Anybody can do this. So I'm going to turn my camera around so you can see what I came up with. So this is my storage compartment. I'm going to turn it, lay it flat so you can kind of see. So just as a refresher, I used 5 wet food Rachel Ray dog food boxes from my Butter. And by the way, today is Butter's 10th birthday. So everybody say happy birthday to Butter. She's out here messing, being Snoopy, the Snoopy dog she is. But anyway, I used 5 dog food boxes. The materials that I used cardstock. I had these booklets with this different papers you can use for planners and crafting. So I cut those things out. And you can buy these things from places like Michael's, Walmart, in their craft section, Hobby Lobby. So I had quite a few of these things in my craft room already. And you could probably even print out like pictures and things, or use magazine pictures, you know, cut out pictures from your favorite magazines. So that's what I did there. So you see the 4 compartments there. And my glitters and small items will fit perfectly inside. Again, this compartment on the top, that's like for my taller items like my rulers, my pens, pencils, markers, that type of things. I also used Mod Podge, so that's how I got everything to stick. And I also covered it in Mod Podge, so this will last a little while. And I used washi tape. So you can use washi tape, you can use colored duct tape, anything. Normally I would like to use a lot of bling, like little stick-on rhinestones and things, but I just wanted to keep this crafty and simple. On the side, I came up with this idea. What if I have like some little like index cards or little notes? I made a little pocket here, so I could just slide that down in there. See there? So this is a multifunctional storage compartment unit, and I'm very excited and very pleased with how it came out. I was talking to my husband last night, showing him after I finished it. I said, you know what would be a good idea if I, had this knowledge and things when I was coming up, because I used to love to play with baby dolls and Barbie dolls, and I love doll houses. This would be a great dollhouse project. So you can make your backgrounds in your 4 compartments. You can make them different rooms, and you can go to like the Dollar Tree, and you know how they sell that little Barbie doll furniture and things like that. You can buy that, and voila, you got an instant dollhouse. That's a great idea. But I don't have any little girls anymore. I do have 2 nieces, but they're not really. One isn't old enough to be interested in doll houses. She just turned a year. But the other one, I tried to get her to be interested, and I don't think she's interested. So I just have to enjoy the moment by myself. But anyway, thank y'all for taking this journey with me and creating my storage compartment. I still got to find a place in my craft room. It's looking more like I'm going to have to put it up on the wall. But we'll see. We will see. So thank y'all again for watching my video. And look for more things, insights, informational things, maybe some tutorials. I know I say tutorials, but sometimes being a crafty person, you get an idea in your mind and you just do it and you forget all about shooting a video. But anyway, I'm going to try my best, but you will definitely see more crafty projects from me in the near future. So thank y'all again, and y'all have a happy Sunday.